I spent part of my childhood on the shores of Lake Victoria. That's where my parents came from. Now, when I was 12 years old, my uncle and I would go fishing in Lake Victoria. Now, we used two methods to fish, and the first method was using fishing nets. Then the second one was using fishing lines. Now, with the fishing nets, we needed to put our nets at night in the lake. So we would get to the lake at about 6 and put in our nets. These nets were placed on the shores of the lake where there was some plantation. The reason being that fish would come at night to look for food and they would get stuck. We would wake up early in the morning at about 3 to go check if our net caught some fish. And we would actually get fish. There's no day that we went without catching fish. Now, the second way of fishing that we would use was fishing lines, like I mentioned earlier. Now, on the lines, we would put bait on hook, then put the lines in the water. Now, you needed to wait until your floater shakes. That's when you can tell that you've caught fish. Sometimes you would stay for about 15-20 minutes without catching fish, but the trick was you have to keep your line in the water. Now, with both ways, you needed to keep your fish nets in the water overnight and to keep your line in the water as long as you waited for it to catch fish. Now, the same principle works with prospecting. In sales, you need to plan to gain prospects each and every day. It should be part of your plan for the day. Even if you're going to close a deal, make sure that that day you have collected prospects. That way you will be able to keep the flow of your success, and that's how so many salespeople are successful. Even during off season, they still are able to sell. Remember to like my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Inganda.